instruction?
Okay.
Ha? Pre,
Okay.
saan yung mga pala, pre? Ha? Saan yung pala, pre? Muna sa New Zealand dollar.
Oh, wala si Dada.
Pagpalod-lod ya. Padlong ka din eh. Naong yung ilampusan.
Bebe, kada be? May basta ligit halas?
Muna siya ang New Zealand dollar.
Bebe, focus.
Mutman!
Umot mga ayos. Sumot gilay tayo ba? Tilawan.
Ano, dollar?
Sama pre. Sama driver oh.
Story video isa.
Asa? Oh, asa ba day? Anong sa day kaya?
Lato ka na magkagay.
Sana Bart?
New Zealand dollar ni.
Wah.
Sabi ka umot.
Smells like shit.
Smells like shit. Si magmayo to sa do ba? Picture, video ito. Ako sa din. No. Kasan Mick?
Oh, the driver sa baka. So, what are you holding it?
This is a lambo or a PC. That's what you call
The magic rope?
yeah.
You know,
Ha!
this is what you call lagoon.
Lagoon?
Lagoon means
Where's that lagoon?
it's a place where you put all the shit.
Ah, that one.
All
Lagundi.
All
Waste
bullshit,
the manure of the
cow shit, horse shit, pig shit, Oh.
Pug shit.
hog shit.
Oh, shit. Alright, thank you guys. You're nonsense.
Hey, Mount Lumut is there. Mount Lumut is there.
Where?
There. You cannot see.
Mini cloud.
Sukod guys. Sukod guys.
Sorry.
Ano ito?
That person, there's a group of funky boys. Yeah, I have half jeans. Yeah, you see that?
Hey, look at him.
Yeah, and a silver jewelry in his neck.
What you call him? The little...
Guy. Oh, a funky puppy.
That guy over there. That guy over there. Little dream boy.
That one too.
Oh, who? That one? This one?
Plus, mo please. Plus, mo please.
Pakibulit, man. Read me in Bugu.
Ngayon sila, kanay ko no,
Person.
Alright.
electric fence. Pero,
Alright, this time I'll try to...
Yes.
I'll try to put the cow back
Oh, come on.
to where he belongs.
ngayon sila, kanay nga, muna siya ang electric fence. Pero pagawin ako, di ba mo rin? Joking
So jokeful, yeah, jokeness. Right, here's the cow.
Come. Come, baby.
Inglisa ba? Di ba kasabutog ng kaya? Inglisa ba? Move!
Come, baby, come.
Move the whole time.
Moves. Oh,
You can turn
Hey.
around
don't come with me. Don't come to me. You're shitting me.
Nope. Don't, baby. Don't be shy.
So you have a stupid driver, huh? Lagi. Right, good boy.
Muna siya mong banda rito. Muna siya mong bukalis.
Hey.
Okay, in English na siya.
Okay, turn around again.
There you go. Don't kick me. Don't kick me, please. Oops.
Lah, may kay master kay mo kuan bay. Mo pasakay og kuan.
Don't hurt his head.
Luis, tower ba?
Hold on. Okay.
That's the money you're waiting.
Right, we're in.
Okay, ayun yung sungaga mga tao.
Okay, go.
Oops.
Go.
Oops. Don't come near me. Oh shit, come on. Guys, let's go home.
Go home, man.
Go kick some New Zealand dollars.
What about the little dream boy?
Little dream boy over there, holding the rope. Pretending. But he knows nothing. Gitingog. Gitingog ang hip-hop guy. Okay. Stop. Cut.